Introducing the stunning 2023 Peugeot 5008 FL Allure. 1.5 Blue HDI 130 AUT, perfect for those who desire style, comfort and safety all in one package. This luxury MPV offers a range of top-notch features including satellite navigation, ambient lighting, multiple airbags, and advanced safety systems like lane departure warning and anti-collision technology. With its sleek blue exterior, chrome accents, and privacy glass, this vehicle is sure to turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured, this Peugeot has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. Don't miss out on this exceptional deal. Call us or visit windsor.ie for more information on how you can drive away in luxury today.